Hello YouTube, it's me and I'm here at our local park here in our city to test out my new drone, the DJI Neo 2. Now for full disclosure, this video is not in any way sponsored by DJI or any of their affiliates, and I purchased this product with my own money. I also want to let you know that I do not own any rights to the song played in this video, so any lyric or tune that you may hear belongs to the rightful owner. Also, before starting to fly your drone, check your local airspace traffic control to see if the area you're actually trying to test your drone is actually safe and it's uncontrolled, so that you won't have to go to any trouble doing your videos. And if you need to get the necessary license, please do so according to the laws of your area. Now, since we got that out of the way, let's get started and fly this baby out. Okay, so the first flight we're going to do is just a basic follow. I'm just going to leave it with its default setting, and basically this drone will just follow wherever I go, and let's see how it happens. Okay, there is a button on the right side of the drone itself. Make sure that the camera is actually facing you before liftoff, and then we're good to go. So here we go. Let's try to put the other camera on so we have a POV view of what's going on, and here we go. Let's go and try it now. So press the red button on the side. Now we got this thing going on, turned on, power on. Now let's see if we can start things to get going. It's a bit windy in this place, so I hope the wind does not affect the flight itself, because this being really light, like less than 150 grams. So let's see how it goes.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. So now, right now, it's on follow mode, so it's just following me right now. So all I have to do is just go around in circles, and the camera will just follow me wherever I go. There's a bit of obstacles in this place, so it's not going very far. That's where I like it to be, but it can circle around in some places. And as you can see, it's just giving me like a straight on kind of video. You don't have to turn on any record button on this one, because as soon as it flies, the on button starts. So there you go. And of course, better watch out for your hands, because it might land on you. So the gesturing should be very, very subtle, because one false gesture and this drone will actually follow whatever you're doing. So right now it's on follow mode, so let's bring it back right now by holding your hand forward, and it will land softly on your palm of your hand. And there we go. Now we're going to change it to a different setting now and see how it works that way. Now we're going to test the drone shot, which is this camera will actually, or this drone will actually back away for a few feet, giving you that cinematic kind of shot, and then we'll try and see how it looks like. Okay, so here we go again.
4 meters, droning, 3, 2, 1.
And there she goes, and she's gonna go back. Show them there. Bye. That's a very cinematic shot you're gonna see. And then once it gets to its distance, it will come back to you. Just stop recording. You just hold out your hand for it to go back. There we go. Come back, little darling. There we go. That works out very well, right? Now, we're going to change the setting to something different, and we'll try to make it circle around you. Okay, now put the settings in, and I've already put the circle mode, and we'll see how it goes from here. So here we go again.
2 meters, circle, 3, 2, 1.
It's going to circle around me right now. Hello there. There we go. It's gonna circle all around me. Just like that. It's got the obstacle awareness on, so let's try not to hit any of the obstacles around, which are the trees. And hey, how's it going? So let's get back to another kind of mode and see how it looks like from there. Now we're gonna try the rocket mode. I'm not even sure how that works. Maybe it's gonna just burst up in the air and then go back. I sure hope it doesn't hit the trees because that would be a disaster. So right now, let's try the rocket mode and let it rip.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. There we go. It's good. Hey there, how's it going? Hey. So it actually went up. It's gonna come back down now. There we go. Come to Papa. There we go. Excellent. We can now compile the shots later on and see how it looks like from video. Let's change it to another one.
Follow.
Well, right.
Selfie shot.
Let's do a selfie shot now. I don't know how that works, but I'm pretty sure it's something else, another exciting feature. And we'll give it a go now.
3 shot sizes.
3 shots.
Selfie shot.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
Look at that. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh, there you go. Two. There we go. And that's one more shot. We're gonna have to. There we go. Excellent job, little man. Excellent job. Okay, for now, those are the default settings with this drone at the moment. As you can see, they're very not too complicated, what I'm trying to say. Very good for beginner content creators like I am. And I think, as far as I'm concerned, that there are more modes, but you're gonna have to get on the app itself and try to tailor it according to what you need. But for now, the test flight is done. Actually, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. And if you are interested in buying the same drone, which is the DJI Neo 2, I suggest you just go check out their website with DJI and just follow the links there, and then you can buy it from there. I think there's a special promo going on right now because it's, there's a holiday coming soon, so you can avail of that. So for now, this is goodbye, and I will see you again next time, and we'll go to more detail on how to do the other modes for this very nice, user-friendly drone from DJI. Hello there! If you find my video content interesting, entertaining, or even a bit educational, please help out small YouTubers like myself to like, share, or subscribe to our channel, because every little helps.